Today we are working on Excel Lesson 6, the 9th and final lesson using the Quick Analysis tool. I'm sure many of you have been just dying to use that Quick Analysis tool. So today you're going to do that. So step 1 says select the cell range B5 to G12. Click the Quick Analysis icon below the bottom right hand corner of the selected range. So that's this little button right here. When selected, the Quick Analysis menu displays the conditional formatting options by default. With the formatting category selected, which you see right here, point to the data bars, conditional format. Move the mouse cursor to point to each of the other conditional formatting options so you can see what each of those options would look like. Click the greater than conditional formatting. The cells in the range containing the largest values are highlighted. In the greater than dialog box, change the value to 5,000 and then click OK. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click the Quick Analysis icon again. So make sure your data is selected. Click the Quick Analysis icon again and click Clear Format in the formatting category. So click Clear. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select the cell range A4 to G12. Then click the Quick Analysis icon and click the Charts category. Hover over the first clustered column on the left, then over the second one, and compare the differences in the two. The two charts give you the option of where to show the x-axis and the columns as data series, or switch the other way. Click the clustered column option on the left, then drag the chart to a new position. So let's make sure, let's click here, Charts, and we're selecting this one. And we're going to drag it down here below the data. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select cell range A5 to G12 again. A5 to G12 again. And then click the Quick Analysis icon. Click the Totals category. Then point to the Sum option on the left. So you see the Sum option on the left. And then point to the Sum option on the right. So this Sum option has the numbers on the bottom. This one has it on the right. Notice the icon indicates where the summary total calculations are placed on the worksheet. Click the More button, right facing arrow to scroll the Quick Analysis menu to the right to see more options. So it's talking about right here. So you click here and then point to each of these options and you can just see how it affects it. Click in a blank area of the worksheet to close the Quick Analysis menu. Now we're going to insert spark lines. Be sure to select only the cells containing actual data which do not include the headings. So select from B5 to G12. Click the Quick Analysis icon. Click the spark lines and point to each of these options. Click Column to enable these spark lines in column H. And then mark that as answered. And submit results, and you see we got 4 green checks. So this completes all of lesson 6. Congratulations.